All right, folks, very important if you have a 2024 Ski-Doo, we have to check your front ski. It's very important to do so. They're breaking off in high numbers from what I can see on social media, and it's a really easy to check. And if you do have this problem, there's a code on the ski to find out, and you can go to your local dealer and they'll get you all sorted out. So let's get right to it. You need a 16 mil wrench or socket, and we're just going to pop the ski down and look under the rubber. Let's go. This affects MXZ, Renegade, and some 900 models, but it's worth checking your ski if you've got a 2024, because if it ever broke off in the wrong situation, it could be pretty dangerous. So I've cracked this nut loose with a socket, and I'm just going to buzz it off with the impact. The bullet should wiggle out without any issues, and then we can drop the ski. And what we want to do is we want to look underneath this rubber, and we're looking for the code AC2. My code right here says AC1 right there, right next to my finger there is AC1. So the AC2 skis are affected. You will see guys with AC3, AC1 like I have, and but if you see an AC2, that's a batch of ski that something funky is going wrong with. It's not the right ski, it's a left ski. And I just want to point out something, another misnomer that you see online, is that some people say, well, the right and left ski is the same thing. It's not the same ski, because if you look at the ski, there's an extra keel here for an outside carbide. I'm running the qualipieces adventure carbide on here, so I'm not running the outer carbide. Look at the keel on here. It would really dramatically affect the handling. So there is a right and a left ski on this. Get to your shop, pop up the sled, drop this ski, and check your number right away. Definitely I've got an AC1 here, so I'm good to go. I'm also running the adventure carbide that gives me extra support in here. You can see, look at that. And this is where the breaking off is in this area. That carbide would give me additional support no matter what. So I can put this ski back on confident I'm not going to have any problems, and I'm going to be smiling as I rip this 2024. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped you out. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, share it, do whatever you want. But I really appreciate everybody that watches, and we'll check you on the next session.